What if I told you the way everyone has taught you to do affiliate marketing was wrong? And what if there was a better way to do affiliate marketing without investing thousands of dollars upfront, without showing your face, and without having to have a large following? Well, after making over $500,000 in the past year with this new beginner-friendly affiliate strategy, I've been able to build a passive income stream that generates $50,000 a month while I sleep, grow an anonymous, profitable brand without ever showing my face online, take full control of my income without counting on a nagging boss. That's why in this video, I want to go over my own 4-step method that shows you how to leverage this new beginner-friendly affiliate strategy to help you reach your first $5,000 online in record time. So you can finally get rid of that annoying boss, own your time, and unlock location freedom. But before I show you how it works, first, you must understand the biggest pitfall beginners fall into. Because here's the thing, the way traditional affiliate marketing works is that step 1, you find a product. Step 2, you promote a product to an audience. Step 3, you get paid a certain commission every time someone buys the product. But here's the problem with that. With traditional affiliate marketing, you already need to have a large audience. You need to be an expert in content creation to stand out in a saturated market. And on top of that, you need to compete with all the AI creators using AI to their advantage. This is exactly why most beginners in affiliate marketing get frustrated and give up in their first 3 months. But it doesn't have to be this way. There's a simple and little known strategy that solves all the problems of traditional affiliate marketing that I've used and that other small creators have used to make their first $1,000 online. Like Ecom Mastery, a small channel who's already generated thousands off their channel alone in the last 6 months, or Digital Wizardry, a faceless channel generating the same thousands as Ecom Mastery by following the same strategy I've used to generate $500,000 in the last year. These are all real examples of real people who have been using this one strategy to make their first thousands online. It's what I call tutorial AI affiliate marketing. And the way this works is simple. You post tutorials showing how to use business softwares like Shopify, ConvertKit, or Hostinger on YouTube or Pinterest. This could be in the form of a blog or a YouTube video. And because viewers are already searching for a tutorial on how to use Shopify, they'll naturally check out your guide, learn how to use the software, and then they'll sign up using your affiliate link. Once they sign up, you will receive a $30 to $150 commission, depending on your affiliate program. More on that in a bit. And unlike traditional affiliate marketing, you don't have to have a large following to make this work. Because just by having 10 to 20 people sign up using your link, assuming you're receiving $100 per sign up, you'll easily make your first $1,000 online. Not only that, but you can stay completely faceless and have zero experience using the software and still build a profitable brand. Take E-commerce TV by Nick, for example. He posts simple Shopify tutorials, and one of his 3-minute videos, how to set sales prices for products, pulled in over 111,000 views. He never showed his face. He wasn't teaching anything groundbreaking. It was just a basic tutorial on how to set sales prices that any beginner could have made. Now, I've designed a 4-step method with AI in mind, so you can leverage it at every stage instead of spending hours each week creating content from scratch, marketing it, and promoting it manually. You'll have AI helping you do all of it. This is one of the most overlooked ways to make money online because it's misunderstood and undersold. Now, let's break down the 4-step method to build and grow your own profitable tutorial AI affiliate business and start working towards your first $5,000 online ASAP. Think of this like building a house. Miss just one step and the whole thing can collapse. So pay close attention. Now, before we get started with anything, let's start with the first step, which will act as the foundation of our house, the affiliate programs we're going to promote. A few programs that I highly recommend are Shopify, Hostinger, ConvertKit. The reason why I recommend these is because they have some of the highest payouts out of all. Check their affiliate programs out, apply to them, and use them. But if you're not, here's the number one thing you need to keep in mind when applying to other programs. Make sure they have at least a 30% payout or a $30 commission per sale. The thing you don't want to do is spend too much time on on the products that don't offer good commission, because you'll be wasting your time getting $10 to $15 per sign up. You want to focus on promoting 3 to 5 programs so your viewers can see you as the authority of that product, and focusing on 3 to 5 will give them that feeling so they trust you and sign up through your link. Now that you have your foundation built, you are still missing the walls that will shape everything together. And building your walls will be the difference between having a house that stands the test of time or one that completely falls apart. And in this case, the walls will be your own website. With a website, not only will you have a way to display all your affiliate links properly, but you will also have a checkpoint where visitors can return to purchase your other affiliate products. But here's the problem: the vast majority of us don't even know how to code or set up a website domain. And when you don't have something as crucial as this down, your entire tutorial AI affiliate business could fall apart. That's why I've recently opened the doors to my content creation mentorship, where you'll get all the support and guidance from me and my team of 7-figure coaches to do exactly that. This includes creating a website from scratch, even if you have zero coding experience, learning how to promote all of your affiliate links so you can make your first $5,000 online, building the fastest growing social media brand even if you're starting from zero. So if you want to learn the exact step-by-step methods to doing this, click the first link in the description and I'll see you inside. But having a website isn't enough. Even if you have the best website, no one will be able to find it if you don't have a method to get viewers to click on it and check it out. Think of it this way. Imagine you're in the business niche promoting your affiliate links like Shopify, ConvertKit, and Hostinger. You'll find hundreds of creators in that niche promoting the same affiliate links as you. So how do you stand out without looking like every other creator promoting the same products? That's where step 3 of the 4-step method comes in: building your content strategy. Now, there's 2 methods to go about this. The first method is through YouTube. Being the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google, you can easily use it to drive thousands of viewers into your videos, even if you don't have a large following. And the way this content strategy works is simple. You'll start by posting step-by-step faceless tutorial guides like these. Easy, right? Because all you're really doing comes down to 2 steps. You'll guide your viewer how to use the software and what they could expect from the different functions, just like Metrics Media does in their video. You'll also throw in call to actions throughout the video, telling them to sign up using your link like Metrics Media did here. The easy part is recording the video. The hard part is standing out from competition. But don't worry, there's a simple way to stand out without putting much effort, and that's through your YouTube packaging. In other words, your thumbnails and titles. For your thumbnail, you want to have something that pops in the home screen of your YouTube page. And to show you what not to do, take a look at this example. It's pretty boring. Nothing really pops out when you look at it in the home screen, and you'll scroll past it. Now, take a look at what to do. There's a big difference. You see how this one stops you from scrolling? You want to take the elements such as the big revenue numbers on the screen, the person pointing at it, and the red circle, and use them in your thumbnails. The reason why? Because these all point to a desired outcome we all want as beginners making thousands of dollars online. And as for your titles, I've done all the work for you. I've created a template you can use in your next tutorial video. Just fill in the blanks and you'll be set. Here's the template. How to insert what you're going to teach in current year, step-by-step tutorial. So if we were promoting Hostinger, it would look like this. How to create a Hostinger website in 2025, step-by-step tutorial. But here's the thing, YouTube isn't the only way to promote your products, because what if you really don't want to do videos? That's where our second method comes in, Pinterest. With over 553 million active users every month, you don't have to have a large following to get started, because we'll be taking advantage of their search engine to draw these users to our affiliate links. And the way this method works is simple. Firstly, you'll direct viewers to your pins. Once they are there, you'll lead them to your website where you'll have a blog post showing them how to use the software. And in that blog, you'll throw in your call to actions, leading them to click your links. The only difference is that unlike YouTube, this is on text instead of video. But even though this is clearly on text, there is still one area where beginners struggle with: creating their pins. But don't worry, you don't have to create your pins from scratch. The truth is, you can take advantage of this little known winning template to help you out. And using these templates all starts with our first AI tool, Canva. Here's what you will do. First, log into Canva and go to create a new design. Next, you want to click on the Pinterest pin. Here, you'll get a ton of pre-made templates to choose from. I like the ones that look simple but artistic, like this one. Since one of Pinterest's main audiences are women looking to make money online, we can promote our affiliate links to them and show them how they can get started with Shopify or Hostinger through this template. The next step is to change some things up. For example, let's switch the text of the template to speak to our target audience. In my case, it's women trying to make money online. So a short, simple sentence like 5 simple ways women can make $1,000 a month online in the next 30 days should get the job done. The key is you want to be specific and have a desired outcome in mind. A bad example of this same headline could be 5 ways women can make a lot of money online. Sure, it has a desired outcome, but it's too vague, and we want to be crystal clear on what we have to offer to our target audience. Next, change some of the colors in the template to yellow or orange. A bad example is using dull colors like gray and black, which don't invite anyone to click on your pin. You also want to use bolder fonts like Montserrat Extra Bold, Oswald Bold, or Poppins Bold. These are all crucial factors that will help your pin stand out from hundreds of others, and that's exactly our goal on this platform. If you need more guidance and would like to work with me to fast track your success, you can apply to join my mentorship program, which will be the first link in the description. Moving on, now that you've created your pins, you need to link people to your blog post where they can learn more about your affiliate products. Because as you already know, people aren't going to use your link because you tell them to. You have to educate them on your software and show them how to use it. And to better understand this, let's take, for example, this creator who created a pin talking about the top 5 digital products that sell. As we scroll down the blog, we can see that they are telling us about the top 5 digital products to sell. Then they are suggesting softwares like Canva or Shopify to try out. But if we look closely, these are the affiliate links to monetize their content. And here's the thing, she is doing this because this is the #1 key to selling an audience that is skeptical about who you are, providing value so you earn their trust and they sign up using your link. And you might be asking, that's cool, but that seems a little complicated. How do I provide value so they trust me and purchase my products? Don't worry, because there's a little known prompt you can use to have our final AI tool help you write these blog posts. Here it is. First, log into ChatGPT, then give it this exact prompt. I'm just gonna give you this prompt on screen, so feel free to copy it and use it for your future pins. And so when you type that in, you should get a beautiful looking blog that you can use for your affiliate links and products. All you need to do is place your affiliate links throughout the blog with your call to actions and you will be set. If you want to learn exactly how to set up your website and create your blog posts, I highly recommend you check out this video where I break everything down step by step in detail. Now, you know how I've generated $500,000 from tutorial AI affiliate marketing, but honestly, this video barely scratched the surface. If you'd like to avoid all the mistakes and fast track your journey to making your first $5,000 with this content strategy, using the same strategies that have generated me $6.4 million in the past 6 years, click the first link in the description and apply to the content creation mentorship. I'll see you inside.